Hello guys and welcome back to Miguel Detailing. This is your host Miguel, and today we are working on a Hyundai Sonata. This is a beautiful car which we are about to transform from trashy to wonderful. Okay guys, so let's get started right away on this one. This is the before shots. As you can see, it's mostly pretty dirty. It's just a lot of like trees, and I won't even say dust. That's just sand, because it's really not dusty. Just so much of sand everywhere. Alright guys, the first step is always the same. Remove as much dirt or heavy trash that you can remove as possible before you vacuum. That way your vacuum won't get stuck, won't get damaged, and it will help you prolong the life of your vacuum. Here we saw some money that we found underneath the seats of the car. I believe it was $5 the most that we found under this car. What quick question? What's the most amount of money you guys have found inside of car that you guys did not know was there before? Answer that on the comment section below. I look forward to reading those comments to begin with. Alright guys, moving back on to the extracting phase. Like always guys, the amount I recommend if you're using your APC to extract it is 4 to 1. 4 to 1, it is safe for the fabric, will not stain the fabric or change the color of the fabric. It's always recommended to test at least one section of the vehicle before you start extracting and using your liquid or your chemicals. If you guys have any major stains, you guys can use something as a stain removal, like a red zone, or there's different kinds of stain removers out there. But in my opinion, in my expertise, I have seen that your APC diluted to the right ratio would remove as much stains as possible. Then the ones that it cannot remove, that's when I'll recommend using something as the red zone. There's multiple every company has a different name for their chemicals, so as long as it's a good stain removal with a good pH balance, that's all I recommend. Hey guys, so basically when you guys are first starting off, there is no need to get the most expensive extractor out there. This one that we're using right here right now on this particular video, it is the Bizzell Pet Spot Clean Pro. And the first time I got this extractor, I paid $80. The second time, it was not on sale anymore, and I paid $180 for it. I have soon upgraded to the Sonata heat extractor. Well, I got it under a different manufacturer, so it has a different name, but it's basically the same product. And I upgraded to that one, and yes, it does work a little bit better. Don't get me wrong, it has a little bit more extracting power, a little bit more water spray, PSI, and then obviously it comes with the heat. All that helps, but to start off with, that's not recommended. That's not what you need. Work with what you got, not what you see on YouTube. Also guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video, and subscribe to the channel. Also don't forget to share and comment on the comment section below. Alright guys, your next step will be doing the dash, or in this case my next step will be doing the dash in the plastic. For this particular car, I did my dash, I did my plastic all around that driver passenger seats, and then I went ahead and also extracted that carpet and that seat right there and then. So basically the way I was maneuvering around this vehicle, as you can kind of see, is I went ahead, picked the side. Let's say for this particular side right now is the driver's seat, right? I did my dash, I did my center console, I did my steering wheel, I did all my little plastic around there. I went ahead, extracted the seat, then extracted the floor, then I went ahead and cleaned the doors and the side plastic while you're getting out. So by the time I finished there, I was completely done with the front driver's seat. That was my strategy for this vehicle. Pick one side, get it finished, move on to the other side, get it finished all the way until you get to the last side. And by the time you're there, the vehicle is fully finished. So the only thing you have left to do is your windows, your dressing, and re-vacuum a little bit just to get any little crumbs that fall into the floor, and then you can turn that vehicle in. For me, it depends on the vehicle. Once I look at a vehicle, I can kind of guess the strategy I am going to use. For you, if you're just starting, then I recommend just looking at the vehicle, coming up with a plan of attack, defend, and keep on going. That's the best thing you can do.